in their fuel expenses, attributing it to the system's intelligent optimization. Some have even shared that they've experienced as much as a 25% decrease in fuel consumption. That's a quarter of your fuel cost saved, thanks to the power of AI. Moreover, the system doesn't just save on fuel expenses. It also contributes to a cleaner environment by reducing the vehicle's carbon emissions. It's a win-win, not just for the consumers, but for the planet as well. In conclusion, Volvo's AI integrated system is more than just a technological marvel. It's proof of how AI can be harnessed for practical, everyday use, bringing about tangible benefits and positive change. By integrating AI into their vehicles, Volvo has not only enhanced the driving experience, but also paved the way for a more sustainable future. Clearly, Volvo's AI integrated system has set a benchmark in using AI for fuel efficiency. Volvo's success story is just the beginning of how AI can revolutionize fuel efficiency. We've seen how the integration of artificial intelligence has not only improved the performance of Volvo's vehicles, but also significantly reduced their fuel consumption. The system's ability to learn and adapt, creating optimal driving conditions, is indeed a game changer. But let's not stop here. The potential of AI in further enhancing fuel efficiency is enormous. Imagine a future where every car on the road is a smart car, continuously learning and adapting to improve its performance and minimize its environmental impact. Picture a world where fuel consumption is drastically reduced, not by force, but by the power of intelligent technology. This is not a far-fetched fantasy. The seeds have been sown, and we are already witnessing the first fruits of this technological revolution. As we move forward, the integration of AI in our vehicles may just be the key to a more fuel-efficient future.